Angie, and I'm coming at you with another DIY and another wedding related video. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Angie and I'm getting married this fall 2018, and I have been documenting quite a bit of our wedding planning process. So I do have a playlist called Wedding Shenanigans, so if you or somebody you know is planning a wedding, then you should check it out. So this DIY, I'm so excited, it's gonna be my first time making it, and I think I can achieve it. I'm gonna post a picture here of what inspired me. This was something I saw on Pinterest, and I see that's really popular is a donut wall, and they range anywhere from like $200 to $300. Like, a lot of vendors are renting them, some people are selling them. This is gonna be like under $40. So if you want to see how I make this donut wall, then just keep on watching. So here's a close-up view. Now, I don't like how the little stems are poking out, so what I'm gonna do is, from the roses, I'm gonna use the greenery, and I'm gonna kind of like hot glue them to cover this up so it looks more full, if that makes sense. Alright, so what Ron and I did was add some blue painter's tape, and we used the leveler to just make sure everything is a straight line. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I did the first row, and the first row is like slanted. So he's using this magic tool here to measure everything out so it's somewhat
straight.
Yeah. And there you have it, guys. That was my DIY donut wall. All of the products that it took to make this, all the items that you'll need, will be in the description box below. I really hope that you found this video helpful if you are looking to make a donut wall yourself and that you enjoyed it. If so, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. And with that being said, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!